Welcome to the Vietnam Job Market Update Report by VSHR Pro Academy in the third week of June 2022. Through the Job Market Report, we will show you that as the hiring manager you will be able to learn which industry is hiring a lot. And if you are hiring, what kind of hiring strategy can you build? If you are looking for a job, right now the market industry will help you know which industries you're gonna get the most number of competitors. So let's get started and we will discover together. This week, the technology industry has had the highest data performance, with the internet being the lowest data in the group. The second are banking, finance and retail, which lower than 300 positions. Firstly, here is an upward change in the technology industry. IT has grown sharply from 915 to 1599. Software has been the second place, which has made out 1408 positions, and internet has gone up from 591 to 748 positions. This period, the business needs staff at middle seniors level with 1313 in IT and 1252 in software, 559 staff in internet. Here is an upward trend in banking, finance and insurance. Banking has grown from 179 to 191 positions, insurance has increased 8 and finance has made out 193. Furthermore, banking, finance and retail need more staff at the middle senior levels. Commercial real estate and real estate have had a downward trend, while the construction has had an increase. There are 56 positions which have been opened from real estate, and commercial real estate has been reduced from 35 to 24 positions. However, construction has gone up to 18 positions. Besides that, they still focus on middle senior and associate level. The FB and food production industry has had a different change this week. While food production has increased slightly from 21 to 34 positions, FB has reduced 2 positions and made out 79 this week. Moreover, they focus on recruiting at the associate level. In the last group, here is the standout data performance of retail, which has had a sharp increase from 207 to 299 positions. Consumer goods has still kept 62 positions, fashion has a slight increase from 14 to 41, and consumer electronics has made out 20 positions. In addition, they need staff at middle senior level and associate level. Thank you for your following and listening. Goodbye and see you in the next week Vietnam Job Market Update Report.